Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cinematic sky in a VN video editor app. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my VN video editor and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on this plus icon and then I'm going to select new project, and you can choose video based since we want to edit video, and then choose the video you want to edit. I'm going to select video from my download folder. Wait. Okay, for example, I'm going to create cinematic sky for this video, guys. Okay, and don't forget to prepare cinematic sky for your video. I have downloaded cinematic sky footage from the internet, and I'm going to add the footage I have just downloaded. I'm going to click on VIP and then I'm going to select photos or videos, and I'm going to choose this folder. Okay, this is the cinematic sky I have just downloaded from the internet, guys, and I'm going to replace the sky in my video with this one. I'm going to click on this video. Okay, and we can click on the fill or fit option to fit the screen like this, and then we're going to apply mask. So we can go to the mask option, okay, and choose the linear mask, and I'm going to rotate it like this. Okay, and then we can adjust the feather. All right, and then to make it more natural, you can go to the blend menu. Wait, I'm going to go to the blending option, and you can choose darken or multiply or color burn, or you can try it one by one like this until you get what you want. For me, I'm just going to choose darken. All right, and you can adjust the opacity, and once you're done you can click on the check mark. Okay, and then I'm going to show you the final result. Okay, as you can see guys, that the sky in my video has been replaced with this one. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create cinematic sky in a VN video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.